A monoenergetic 18 kilo electron volt electron beam initially in the horizontal direction is subjected to horizontal magnetic field of 0.04 Gauss normal to the initial direction. Estimate the up or down deflection of the beam over a distance of 30 cm. Here mass of electron is given, which is 9.11 into 10 to minus 31 kg. And an important note is, data in this exercise are so chosen that the answer will give you an idea of the effect of Earth's magnetic field on the motion of electron beam from the electron gun to the screen in a TV set. Okay, so here in this exercise 5.22, a monoenergetic electron having energy, let it be U, is equal to 18 electron volt is moving in horizontal direction initially in a horizontal magnetic field. Okay, in a horizontal magnetic field of 0.04 Gauss. So let a magnetic field over here is going into this plain page of paper, okay, and a monoenergetic electron beam is enters in this field, suppose in this direction. Okay, here we have to find the deflection, okay, in a vertical direction, deflection in a vertical direction over a distance d equal to 30 centimeter, or you can say d is equal to 0.3 meter. Okay, here magnetic field is also given. Magnitude of magnetic field is what? 0.4 Gauss, 0.04 Gauss, or you can say 0.04 into 10 to minus 4 Tesla. So here you can see that electron is initially moving in this direction, so you can say it is the what direction, okay, of projection of the electron. Okay, but whenever electron enters in the magnetic field perpendicularly, okay, it moves on a circular path, so we can say it deflects from its original direction, which is this one indicated by a dotted line. ओके तो यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन के ऊपर जो डायरेक्शन में फोर्स लगेगा वो डायरेक्शन में वो क्या होगा? डिफ्लेक्ट होगा, एंड इट इज मूविंग ऑन अ कर्व्ड पार्ट. सो हियर विद द हेल्प ऑफ फ्लेमिंग्स लेफ्ट हैंड रूल कैन फाइंड द डायरेक्शन ऑफ force on this charge. Okay, so direction of force on positive charge must be in upward direction, and direction of force in negatively charged electron is in downward direction. So electron enters, okay, in this magnetic field on this curved part, okay, over a 30 centimeter distance, over a 30 centimeter distance. Let its deflection in vertical direction is y. Okay, let's its deflection in vertical direction is y. So here we have to find the y. Here you can see the Fleming left hand rule. We already see the Fleming's left hand rule in chapter number 4 in motion of charge in a magnetic field. Okay, so here as the velocity, here you can see that direction of initial velocity is in this direction, but while entering the charge in magnetic field, a force occurs on it, so it moves on this curved part and it deflects by it amount y from its original direction. So here we have to find first the velocity, okay, with which electron is entering in this magnetic field. So here you can see that energy of electron is given 18 kilo electron volt. So we can say U is equal to what? Half mv square. So V is equal to, we can say, under root 2U by m. Here 2 into U is what? 18 kilo electron volt. So we can say 18 into 10 to 3 into E means 1.6 into 10 to minus 19. Okay, divided by m, which is mass of electron. So we know the mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 to minus 31, which is also given in this problem. So after solving it, we will get the answer of velocity 0.795 into 10 to 8 meter per second. So it is the velocity. Here we can say, as this velocity v, as v is very high, okay, so time to cover a distance d, टाइम टू कवर अ डिस्टेंस डी, यहाँ से यहाँ तक पहुँचने में जो टाइम लगा वो इज गिवन बाय, वी कैन से इज गिवन बाय t is equal to distance d upon velocity v. So here we have to find the deflection in vertical direction. Okay, so we know that from the equation of kinematics, the deflection in y direction, or you can say vertically downward direction, okay, y is equal to what? Half a t square. So half a, value of a which is know that F by m, force on charge per unit mass, into t square. So half as it is, we know the force acting on charge qv by qvb by m on a magnetic field, into t, we know that t is what? D by v. So d square by v square. Here you can see that one v will be cancelled out. So on solving, or you can say on simplifying, you will get charge q. Instead of charge q, we will take the electron e. Here charge of electron is e. So b d square, one will be cancelled out, divided by 2 times m v. Okay, now here I am putting the value. We know that E is equal to 1.6 into 10 to minus 19. Value of magnetic field is what? 0.04 into 10 to minus 4, and distance d is 0.3 meter. So here we have 0.3 square, okay, divide by 2 mv. So 2 into m is what? Mass of electron, 9.1 into 10 to minus 31, into v, which is 0.795 into 10 to 8. So 0.795 into 10 to 8. Okay, so after simplifying, you will get the answer 0.39 into 10 to minus 3 meter.